Welcome to Multiplicity Crafts. This is Josh. I'm doing the voiceover for Miranda. And today we're making a birthday card. So as you can see, we're just cutting the paper in half. Okay, we'll take the first half and fold it in half as well, using the bone folder. That helps crease it sharply. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just punch some circles out of white cardstock with white on one side and blue on the other. But I tried to use similar colors that were matching, like blue and yellow, kind of a sky blue. It can be kind of a polka dotted blue or kind of a sky blue. Again, just trying to match the kind of the layers with each other. Orange, yellow, kind of with some blues. Again, just using the circle punch for some accents. Again, it's just real important to use multiple layers, multiple colors. It gives it plenty of depth and dimension. And of course, I've pre-cut some of the components that says happy birthday. Pre-punched. It was with the same tool that I used the top three layers with. And on this step, we're just simply doing some measurements to know where to cut the excess off. And these scissors are really sharp. They're great crafting scissors. So please be careful and not cut yourself. But they do cut the paper very well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put some tape on the back here. Alright, just try to line it up the best you can. If you need to make some pencil marks real lightly to help line up where the center point is, that's fine too. Again, pencil can be erased. Much easier, of course, than a pen or marker, obviously. But at the same time, you don't have to erase it if you're going to cover it up with some type of embellishment or another piece of accent paper. This step, again, talking about layering, I'm just using some foam, so it lifts up the top accent that says happy birthday a little higher off of the rest of the card, so that makes it kind of a three-dimensional look to it. Go ahead and pull the backing off the padding there and kind of push down a little bit to make sure it sticks real well. And again, just layer the circle punches, the circles that we punched out earlier, just however you like. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. Again, just being creative is really the thing that makes each card unique. That's the thing about making cards. It's personalized. It's unique. There are no two cards that are the same. You know. Okay, go ahead and just go and put some tape on the back of each circle. Again, what I always try to do is lay out the circles ahead of time, kind of see where I want to put them before taping them down, because it is not easy to remove them, because it can rip the paper later. Again, just adding another piece of foam on the back of a couple of the circles to give it a three-dimensional look. So I do hope you enjoyed this card tutorial on how to make this simple DIY birthday card. And again, you can add a bow or any other accent in addition to what was displayed here. So again, I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, God bless.